Hey guys, and welcome at Test and Review. So today I just wanted to share a quick unboxing and first impression review of the Huawei Watch D2, which was released last year, and it received a very good reviews thanks to the functionalities of this smartwatch. It measures blood pressure very accurately, also heart rate. So two things that are very useful in case you want a smartwatch that is good for your health metrics. So the Huawei Watch D2 is also quite expensive. It was quite expensive, but now you can buy it for around $350, which is definitely a good price considering the good build quality. It also has GPS and other useful features that I will share in the in-depth review. But for now, let me show you the box. Very nice packaging, and inside we have the watch itself together with additional straps that are included, also a magnetic charger for the it doesn't have the charging brick, so you can use it from your smartphone. But that's basically the watch itself. This is the black version. You can also get it in white, so it feels very solid built. That's my first impression. Nicely packaged, well featured, so I believe it's going to be a very interesting review, but I'll give it some time, some testing, so I can share. People say that the battery can last up to 2 weeks of active use, which is also very good. So definitely good features, good build quality, and good price. So I'm quite excited to see how the Huawei Watch D2 will perform after some time, and of course I will share with you more details. Thank you, stay tuned, subscribe, and I will see you later.